In the heart of the 16th century, a new dynasty emerged in the land of Persia, a realm that would soon become a beacon of culture, art, and faith for centuries to come. This was the birth of the Safavid Empire. Born from the ashes of the declining Timurid Empire, the Safavids were a turban-wearing Sufi order that rose to power under the leadership of Ismail I, a charismatic and ambitious ruler. Ismail, claiming divine descent from the Prophet Muhammad, sought to unite Persia under the banner of Twelver Shi'ism, a branch of Islam that had been suppressed under previous rulers. The Safavids' rise to power was marked by a series of battles and strategic alliances. Ismail defeated the Uzbek forces at the Battle of Chaldiran in 1514, solidifying the Safavid control over Persia. However, the road to empire was not without challenges. Ismail faced internal opposition from Sunni Persians and external threats from the Ottoman Empire. Ismail's successor, Ismail I, continued the expansion of the Safavid Empire. He signed the Treaty of Amasya with the Ottomans, securing a peaceful border. Ismail also supported the arts and learning, fostering a golden age of Persian culture. However, the Safavids' power began to wane in the 17th century. A series of weak rulers, coupled with internal strife and external invasions, weakened the empire. The Afghans, led by Abdali, invaded Persia, causing widespread destruction and chaos. The final blow to the Safavid Empire came with the Afghan conquest of Isfahan in 1722. The last Safavid Shah, Ismail II, was killed, and the empire crumbled. The Safavids' legacy, however, lived on. Their patronage of the arts, particularly in architecture and miniature painting, left an indelible mark on Persian culture. The Safavid Empire, though short-lived, left a lasting impact on the world. Its rise and fall serve as a testament to the power of faith and perseverance, a story etched in the annals of history for all to remember.